Hi everyone, today we have a 2003 Ford Expedition 4.6 liter. Customer states it drives pretty good. Every now and then check engine light comes on, then it goes off. It's got P0171 and P0174. As you've seen on my earlier videos, it's usually the PCV valve hose on the back of the intake manifold. This time it wasn't. When I had the smoke machine hooked up to it, which is my machine right there, which induces smoke into the intake manifold in the inside of the engine. So here's the hose that I found, and you can see how it's split like that. And then this one was loose, it was swiveling, and smoke was coming out of it. Then this was just kind of, all this goes over here. So where this little vacuum storage box here, then it has a little splice and it goes into the air conditioning controls through the fender well there. So there's a little plastic pipe, then it has a hose. Well, they had a little short hose and they had this shoved back in there, and where this pipe connection is right there, they just had this little short piece of hose that you see there, and you see that split in it. And so whenever they would drive or turn, whatever, that split would open or close, that's when the problem would become worse. So what I did is I moved it out here a little bit, and I made a nice little curve to this hose so it has no tension on it. And then I made another new hose here, another new hose there, and then made a nice smooth curve going to the back. So it was really easy to do this having the battery out. So if you don't find the PCV valve hose in the back of the intake manifold, which is back here, where it's usually that hose right there, it wasn't that this time. It was this worn out vacuum hose. It was right down here by the side of the battery down here. And just as it swiveled around or bent around, it would leak, and then sometimes it wouldn't. So that was the problem. So don't get too disappointed if you don't find it. The PCV valve hose, check by the side of the battery there. There's a little vacuum box behind the battery, then there's some plastic lines, and then where those junctions are there, I've seen this a few times now, where those hoses get rotten and you get the same two codes. Thank you very much everybody, have a great day.